Menzies oversees the cleaning of over 1,000 sites across Australia.
At Menzies, our value proposition includes areas such as transparency, our commitment and focus on our ESG strategy, including carbon reduction, promoting an environment of team collaboration and respect, and transparency with regards to the reporting and overall delivery that we offer our clients. Before engaging with Team Software, our administration teams would have to individually pull data from individual systems, which took significant periods of time. Team Software stood out because not only was their system synchronised to what our expectations and objectives were, their platform specifically was tailored around the cleaning services industry.
Team Software helps us better manage the contracts because the flow is just really smooth.
Menzies made the decision to purchase the full suite of Team Software, which encompassed of Lighthouse, Timegate and Templa.
All the systems communicate with one another and everything just fits really well. Whether it's payroll, whether it's quality assessment forms, whether it's team talks, it's all generated in the one place.
The platform allows us to have a complete picture of the service delivery across every contract, which has improved our compliance.
Employees can log in using their personalised credentials and they can log in their shifts and log out. They can scan a code. I can view the logins and logouts across all the sites in real time. Through this software, I can also use maps, and in those maps I can see where my particular sites are. I can also see the staff that are currently logged in through maps. I can share quality assessment forms. We can also use the software to provide evidence of our cleaning conducted by having the staff members actually take photos and uploading them onto the platform. One of the benefits that it offers is we can generate dashboards and provide them to the clients. This gives them a real overview of the number of quality assessments that we've conducted. It shows them an overall score, an average score, and it's a really good tool for Menzies, the staff and the client.
The solution offers our clients a report that is very easily digestible, which provides transparency across the KPI reportable areas of that contract each reportable month. Clients can see holistically their contract through the client portal, whether that's through work orders raised or whether that's through time and attendance or contract reporting. All of these needs that the clients actually have is designed and put into this portal so that they have that ability to have one easy access through this software.
Team Software and Menzies have developed quite a close working relationship. We have relied on them quite a lot to assist us in rolling this out through the organisation, and their assistance and diligence and adaptability has been critical to the overall success.